Take my hand and hold it.
Hi guys, assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. Hi, if you are new, my name is Arina, and if you are coming back, I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, as from the title, I'm going to open a lot of parcels, or this is going to be a haul video. I hauled a lot of clothes because I feel like I want to change my style in 2021, even though I know I'm not going to go anywhere. Without further ado, let's go on with the haul video. So first off is this parcel right here. This is I know what's inside because this is the last item that I received. So this is an inspiration Korean style. So it's a dress and it has a very big embroidery collar, and supposedly the collar goes down the chest. They have it in two colors and I bought it in black because the other color, I'm afraid that it's gonna be a bit transparent on me. By the way, this is a sleeveless dress and I do need to wear inner inside, or a shirt, a white shirt maybe. And of course, after I show you guys this clothes, I will insert a clip of me trying it on. Oh nice, it comes with this zipper bag to secure the fabric inside, and this is what it looks like. Looks like a nice brand. It also has a tag here because normally anything I bought from Shopee, like clothes wise, it doesn't have a tag. Okay, this is what it looks like. It looks nice actually, and it goes down until my, like, just below my knee. The color looks nice as well. It doesn't look cheap, and I bought it for RM39. And by the way, the clothes that I bought are all below 50 because that is my budget. And it comes with a zipper at the back for you to put it on. On the sleeve it has like this elastic. Yeah, it looks nice. The material is also nice. It's not like that cheapy kind of raincoat polyester material. This looks like a high quality cotton material. I think that it's not going to be as hot because in Malaysia our weather is either sunny or rainy and mostly humid. And yeah, I really am very happy with my purchase. Okay, this is the second outfit. I feel like I looked very gothic. You can see from the back that, I don't know what these are called, but it stops here, and I do need to wear a skirt below. And actually this one is sleeveless. I just have this shirt, black shirt inside, which has a cinch on the elbow and a very cute like cuff ruffles here, so that's why I pair it with this, because this one it looks cute. But then again, I look like I'm attending a death ceremonial or something, and I look so gothic with this one. But you can definitely tone it down by wearing a very cute sweater on the as an outer, and then just leave this out. I just love the material of this one. I did pair it with a black tutu skirt, and I feel like it looks cute. Okay, what a good start. So let's move on to the next package. I don't remember what is this one. Okay, it's a white color, comes in a plastic, and oh, this is a dress as well. Okay, I think this dress like always floating around our Instagram, like Korean aesthetic dress, and the quality is not bad, you guys. I thought it's gonna be very thin, and of course it's see-through because it's white. It also comes in black color as well. I maybe pick up that one because this is the cheapest one I can find from Shopee, because most of it cost around RM49 or 57, but this one cost me RM39 or 37. That is why I decided to pick it up and try it. So maybe I'll pick up the black one after this if I like how it looks on me. Hopefully no missing button here. Yeah, very nice quality, doesn't feel cheap, and it feels heavy, you guys. It doesn't feel too light, so I'm gonna try it on. Okay guys, this is how it looks like. I know you can't see like until the bottom, but you can see like from the back there. This is how it looks like. Actually, I just wish that this arm part here is a little bit longer because it kind of hangs above my wrist, but I love the cutting. It has so much space, like it feels very spacious. I will turn around. I still need to wear something underneath because it's a bit see-through. The length finished just above my ankle and I am 157. This is how it looks like. Okay, I will try to wear it with a belt and see how. Okay, let's move on to the next plastic. This is the thinnest out of them all. So this is a shirt. It's supposed to be oversized, but I pick up in the, I almost say in the shade, but actually I pick up in L size. But from the comments I saw that they say like pick one size smaller or your actual size, because it is actually an oversized shirt. So this is what it looks like. It's very like, I don't know what these are called, satin. To be honest, it feels a bit cheap, but it has this very pretty, it's a raised design. It's not print on it, which is nice. It's different, and the quality I think is okay for the price. I paid it for around RM17, around that, because I have RM10 voucher with no minimum spend, and I'm not mad at it because I don't pay a lot for it. I expect the clothes to have a cotton material, or at least like, and not as shiny as this, because I still will wear it, of course. I don't think it's as see-through as other white clothes I have, but to be safe, I'm definitely going to wear an inner. With this, it comes with the collar, the sewing, and everything looks neat, and at the back looks like it has like a fishtail cut, so it will definitely cover your bottom. And yeah, let's try this on. Okay, this is the next clothing item. It's a shirt, and I actually like the pattern, but I don't like the material, maybe because it's too shiny. I did pair it with the gold skirt. I don't know if you can see it. I think you can see it from the mirror here. The gold skirt is okay, but it's a bit short for my preference. Like, I wear it here. If I were to pull it right on my waist, I think it's going to hang too high from what I prefer. And I think this shirt is on the loose side, so maybe you can wear a thin belt. Yeah, this is how it looks like. Okay, let's open the next plastic. It's a green plastic. Okay, this one is a cardigan, and I bought it because of the sleeve and also the cute button. I think you can see it right there. And I bought it in L size. Oh my god, XL. Oh yeah, I remember I picked XL because most China's clothing brand will fit small, so that's why I picked XL. And also I like my clothes to be oversized, but let's see if this one is too large for me. I know I didn't pick L. Thankfully I just picked one, because if it's too oversized then I'm gonna be so mad at myself. Actually, it's not that big. It's just nice. I picked this because of the sleeve, you guys. Look at this. It's so cute. It's like fitted at your arm, so this one will be like flared. It's gonna be hanging on my palm, which is like cutesy kind of look. It has 3 buttons, and the quality is nice. It's not as see-through. I can wear it by itself. Of course, I need to wear like maybe sleeveless inside. The V-neck is quite low, and looks like it has like fall down shoulder because the cutting is not over here. Like you can see that the shoulder is kind of falling down. This one is RM26 and 21 cents. It is worth the purchase because, so I'm gonna try it on and show you guys how it looks on me. Okay, this is the next clothing item. It's also a sweater. I really love this part here where it's flared detail, and I pair it with a pleated skirt because I feel like it's cute. I also bought it in the largest size, which is XL. I think I can go one size down, but actually I don't mind it be a little bit bigger. So cute. The button is so cute, and also I just have to buy it because of this flare sleeve. Okay, moving on to the next package. This one I bought 3 items from one shop, and I already opened one of it, and it is this sweater right here. It's very thick. I don't know if I'm able to wear it here in Malaysia. Maybe if I go to Cameron Highlands or Genting Highlands in Malaysia, I will be able to wear it. But the color is so cute. It's mint green, and it has this cutesy, like very cute button. 4 buttons in total. Have a functional pocket on the side at the bottom here, and also a collar. And this one feels like my blanket. I would suggest this for you guys who have 4 season, or you guys who lived in Highland, because it's very thick. So this is RM25 20 cent. They have other color as well, I think like a cream or a white, but I decided to go for a green because I already have a white sweater, so I'm gonna try it on. Okay, this is the third clothes. It's a sweater, and I purposely bought it in big size. It looks like I just love this pearl button, and I do want to wear this sweater with this lace without the white inner inside, because that is gonna be too hot here in Malaysia. But I actually like it, and I don't mind that I bought a big fit. The next item is this one, and it comes in a zipper bag. This is the cheapest shirt I bought from Shopee. I think it is RM16 20 cent, and oh boy, it feels so cheap. It feels like a baby's net, like netting you use to prevent from mosquito bite. Yeah, that is how the quality feels like. But the pattern is cute. I will definitely wear it in a video, and of course with an inner inside. And I think I picked up like the largest size, and this is what it looks like. It has a cute pattern. Maybe I can use it for like makeup photography, like put a product on top, because I am definitely not going to wear this outside because like the quality is so cheap, and the sewing is all over the place. Like, look at this. Like, what is this? What is this? And don't buy this because it's a waste of money. Yeah, I feel like this one is a total fail because I don't know, the quality is just so bad, and it doesn't look like what the model's wearing. So this one, I did rate it 1 star by the way, because I hate it so much. And this is what it looks like. Again, I don't know who wants to wear this very cheap looking lace material. I just don't like the quality, but this is how it looks like in case you are curious. It has button on the front, and yeah, the cuff is also horrendous. Like, what is this? And the next one is this lace shirt, and I remember I bought this because I want to wear it inside like the sweater, and inside I will wear this one so that you will see a lace slip through from the sweater. And I bought it in the size XL because I want it to be oversized. Okay, this one has a better quality from the Daisy dress, and looks like this. The sleeve is very long, which I like you can see it goes like until my palm here. So yeah, it has this almost a turtleneck, maybe half a turtleneck. So I'm gonna try this on. This is the next outfit. I actually had a bit awkward on how to like style this, but it's a lace shirt, and I pair it with a satin skirt. I don't know how to style it, honestly. Should I do like this? Should I let it down? But it's honestly looked so classy, like Hari Raya celebration almost, and this is very cheap. Okay, this is the last clothing item, and it's a skirt. It's a gold skirt. Look at it. This is RM. Let me see. Yeah, this is RM 34 and 65 cent. I of course read the reviews, and a lot of them say it's very good quality, and from the feel of it, yeah, it's look good quality, but I think this one will go until like right above my ankle. Yeah, and I will definitely wear a long thick sock underneath so that my ankle will not expose. And the elastic band doesn't feel as tight like some skirt has very tight elastic band. It sometimes make me puke and have a headache. So this one feels nice, doesn't feel as that tight. Okay, this is the last item, which are earrings. Okay, I haven't bought earrings for so long. I have an earring haul video. You can click up here to watch it. I got all of my earrings, including this one and this headband from SHOPEE. My second earring purchase this year, and I'm so excited. I only bought a few. So firstly, I bought this cute bear earring. Very cute. Look at that. So cute. It has a bear and a heart there. This one cost around RM6. Typically, I don't buy earrings more than RM5. It's like a gamble when you make a purchase from SHOPEE, and I'm not sure that they have good comments on there. So the next thing is this one. This is also a bit expensive. It's RM6 or 7, can't remember, but this one I bought it because it kind of reminds me of Chanel, like vintage Chanel kind of. So it's very nice. Here also has a heart. I always go for earrings that has a half hoop like this, like open back and not fully closed, because I like to sometimes slip it into like my hijab and then wear it. And the next thing is this one. This is very cheap. It's RM1. So I bought two, gold and silver. It's a chain earring, so dainty, so cute. So this one is RM1. I will try it on, and the quality is a cheap quality. I don't expect too much from an RM1 earring, but it does the job at adding something to your look. So yeah, this is the silver, and this is the gold one. This is what it looks like. So cute. And then the last thing, or the last earring, is this heart earring. It's so cute as well. Oh my god, the quality feels nice. It has a weight to it. Same goes to this one. It has a weight to it. So this heart is a chunky heart. And they also have a gold color as well. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching my haul. It's different from my usual video. Thank you so much for watching until the end. I hope you enjoy it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I do a lot of makeup tutorial, makeup hauls, review, and sometimes clothing haul like this. So if you're interested with the type of contents that I put out, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you enjoy it. Take care, and I hope I see you guys in my next one. Bye. Assalamualaikum.